Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 and let me show you how to do the fingerprint on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select passwords and security and click on fingerprint unlock. Before you add your fingerprint, you need to provide pattern, pin code or the password. That would be the backup to your fingerprint. Let me choose pattern. You just have to be aware that you need to remember the pattern because otherwise you will have to perform a hard reset and all data would be lost. So let me provide the pattern, then re-enter it just to confirm. And now add your fingerprint to the sensor. The sensor is located on your power button, so all you have to do is to keep tapping on your power button. Tap on cancel as it was for Face ID and here click on done to finish the operation. As you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.